Shalom. Greetings, aloha. This is Shamstoppers, and this is Brother Wasilkamilbey. And we not no anti-government. We not anti-police, sheriff, none of that shit. It ain't the government, fellas. It's these hoes. For the last fucking time. It's not him. Okay? He didn't fuck you. Right? This is the enemy. This is the enemy. Okay? Right here. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. What happened in the Garden of Eden? Who ate the apple? Did Adam or did Eve? Do it look like these guys want to be there? He ain't gonna say shit. It's this bitch doing all the talking. It's the bitch. When will you niggas realize that shit? It's not the fucking government. Because as soon as the government send you niggas some motherfucking stipend checks or whatever, you ain't gonna say shit. You gonna go spend that shit on some J's, some dope, some liquor, a video game. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm telling the truth. Shit, fuck it. Shame the devil. Now listen how this nigga went in here like a bitch. Right? Went in here like a bitch. And listen to this bitch talk.
Acknowledged by his actions of even paying the approximately $200 toward child support that there is a separate obligation for him to pay child support in addition to the final property division in this case, which did award Ms. Prescott the marital home. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Now, I again asked the question I've asked 3 times in this court. Is Attorney Casa representing the Department of Health and Human Services?
Mr. Kennett,
So I'm confused.
Mr. Kennett,
How many people?
Attorney Casa has identified herself twice now as what she is doing here in this case and who she is representing. I'm not going to have her repeat it a third time.
So she's representing Ms. Kennett, but the case is between the Department of Health, according to the.
Now look at him. Do it look like he's prepared? Huh? He asking stupid ass questions. Stupid. Those are stupid questions. He got all his paperwork up here. All the paperwork. And you gonna still ask some questions who she representing? Nigga, you didn't get the memo in the mail, player? He irritated because niggas can't read. Right? He gonna ask a question. Is she representing the Human Health Service? Duh, motherfucker. No shit, Sherlock. She's representing the Human Health Services and the bitch. Because these hoes are handicapped out here and they can't take care of themselves, talking about the fucking children. Child support is a front for these hoes. They lazy. These hoes is lazy. Hey, show me 5 bitches right now out here on construction sites building these motherfucking buildings and building these roads, and you'll have your answer. You niggas need to man up, stop being like this nigga here. I don't know what the fuck wrong with y'all.
It is between the Department of Health and Human Services and Mr. Kennett. So was Attorney Casa here to represent the Health and Human Services today?
Sir, we're not moving down that road again. So,
Asking the camera can duly go.
Right.
I'm pro se, and there are 3 people at the other table. I don't understand.
all right. Anything else you want to add, sir, regarding the obligation to pay child support?
Now, he asked him a question now. Anything else do you want? Any questions regarding the child support? This was in 2012.
compliance. If you state that I'm not, then again, that's news to me as of right now. According to the 2006 decision, the court wrote, willfulness or intentionality is a critical criteria for finding of contempt. I'm not willfully in contempt of any court, or I believe I'm in compliance. If I'm not, then that's the first I've heard of it. It also warns that unrestricted use of the contempt power in child support cases presents a significant risk that a non-custodial parent will face imprisonment on account of poverty. It goes on to state that specific safeguards are needed to make...
Now what the fuck this motherfucker reading? A bunch of bullshit. They just irritate with this nigga. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. Okay? Nobody. Nobody. Not even this cat right here. This dude right here. This dude, this bitch, and the other bitch that's sitting over here. You know what I'm saying? What's wrong with y'all? Huh? We got over 700 some videos. Fellas, it's not the government for the last time. It's these old dirty, stanky assholes. You ain't check your bitch.
Civil proceeding fundamentally fair. That's Matthews versus Eldridge, U.S. Supreme Court decision. And it also goes on to state multiple times that removal of one's children is more psychologically damaging.
Objection, Your Honor. That's completely irrelevant.
I sustain the objection.
And that I have not seen my children since...
Objection, Your Honor.
You see that? And he didn't even see his children, and the bitch say objection. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't checking these hoes. I would love to pimp slap that bitch. That's her feelings and emotions. Talking about objection, Your Honor, objection. Y'all let hoes like this object y'all niggas. Because if you checked your bitch, you wouldn't be standing right here. Right? If he would have checked this bitch, he wouldn't be standing. Look at all this fucking paperwork. What's all that shit, man? Throw that shit in the trash and recycle that shit, God damn it. Save the earth.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, sir. Therefore, let me get my stuff in order here.
Now he ain't got his shit look, he ain't got his shit together. Let him get his stuff in order. Let me get my shit in order. Everything should be done in decency and order. Ain't that what the Bible says? Huh?
Article 12 of the New Hampshire Constitution says, no part of a man's property shall be taken from him without his consent. The Article 14 says that every citizen in the state of New Hampshire has the right to obtain right and just...
Look at that, he nervous, scared. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of you like that. There's a lot of you like that. You know. He not even, look. This is sad, people. This is sad. This is sad. And people, I know y'all. I know you, it's hard for y'all to come over here because our services cost too much. Read a goddamn book. Read a motherfucking book. You don't have to worry about complaining anymore. Just say, hey, I don't need that nigga. I don't need Shamstoppers in them. Fuck them. Say that. Don't go in here looking like this. Because you're going to get your ass handed to you.
Justice freely without being obliged to purchase it. You have in motions to the court in this case file, Helen McKittrick's withdrawal stating that whereas the petitioner was repeatedly filing delays.
Objection, Your Honor.
That I was being pro se.
Sustained. Sir, you have to stick to the issue today. This is the show
I'm sorry,
cause
she didn't she bring up the issue that
Sir,
I'm pro se?
Sir, you have to stick to the issue, which is the compliance with the court order regarding the payment of child support. That's the issue for this hearing today, sir. So, on that issue...
I'm confused. You let her bring up this pro se thing and I'm trying to explain it to you. Did you already know that, so I shouldn't tell you?
I know you're pro se, sir.
Oh, okay, and you understand how I got to there? It's not voluntary.
Sir,
Okay.
if you have anything else to deal with the issue of your compliance or lack thereof with the child support order of this court, you can add that. But stick to that issue.
Okay. So in the record...
Stick to the issue. Did y'all hear that? I know what to say. You want to learn what to say? Send over a donation.
Shows that I purchased the house for $235,000 and paid $230,000.
Move on from the house, sir.
That's not stolen.
Move on from the house. You put that on the record, sir.
Okay.
Anything other than the house.
No.
This nigga loses his house. Married a bitch. Loses his house. That's some cold shit, man. For all you dick in the booty ass niggas that want to get married, you know what I'm saying? Check your bitch. Reevaluate that shit. You know what I'm saying? Listen to this shit.
I have nothing else other than the house. I don't own anything. You've taken my property, my life savings, my stocks, my ability to find and keep it.
Took his life savings, his stuff. No, nigga, you gave it away, nigga. You gave that shit away. People, you give it away when you get you a bitch. A wife is a bitch. A queen is a bitch. Ain't no queendoms, nigga. It's kingdoms, nigga. He gave his shit away through marriage. And then he voluntarily went to jail. Hey, if y'all been locked up, hit us up. You can get your money back, fools. Just look at this shit.
Is significantly impacted repeatedly by court hearings over and over again that I beg to make stop. If you just rule that Miss Kenny can have the house and
begging like a little bitch.
I'll move on with my life.
In this case regarding the transfer of property pursuant to the property settlement in the final decree of divorce, which was upheld after Mr. Kennick's appeal to the Supreme Court, does not relieve him of his obligation to pay the child support. If the $4,500 cash bill is not paid, you would be held, and I will schedule a further hearing.
Now he want $4,500 from this nigga. Okay?
Further show cause hearing in this matter in 30 days.
Are you incarcerated, Your Honor? What would a show cause hearing do? How would I possibly be able to pay them? Do you pay me in jail?
Sir, if you are incarcerated, I will have another show cause hearing in 30 days to review the incarceration.
I'm confused by how...
Sir, if you want to address the court, you have to stand with us. Thank you.
If you throw me in jail, how would I possibly... what's the show cause hearing going to say? That you held me in jail and that I haven't paid? Because how am I supposed to pay when I'm in jail?
We will address the next show cause hearing at the next show cause hearing, sir, right? You are in custody. The court officers will direct you.
So you're going to hold me for ransom for $4,500 I don't have?
The hearing is closed, sir. Okay? You are in custody.
You're going to hold me in ransom for $4,500 I don't have? I am pro se, so the court has now locked up my lawyer. I need access to the internet and a computer and...
off the record.
Look at him. Hey man, smart guy in stocks and all this shit. One smart enough to learn how to hide that shit. Right? These bitches ain't no good, fellas. If a bitch ain't got shit, got her own shit, her own property and all this old shit, nigga, hang that shit up. Stop. You already got children. Why the fuck you gonna take care of a grown motherfucking woman that's a... What the fuck wrong with y'all? These bitches don't care. They out to win it. They out to get all your money and go get some dick and celebrate it with the new dick. Women talking about they don't need man. Bullshit, bitch. Let a bitch come on this channel talking about she don't need no man. Well, bitch, do everything by yourself then. Show us. Start you a country, hoe. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Man, you need help. You been locked up. Hit us up. Stop being a bitch. Peace.